Good morning, Standard 4th, Subject EVS Part 2, Lesson number 3, Maratha Sardars, the famous house of the Bhosles. Lesson number 3, Maratha Sardars, the famous house of the Bhosles. Period of unrest. As the saints preached devotion to God, the brave Maratha Sardars started a tradition of bravery. This was a period of a great unrest. The two Sultan, the Adil Shah of Bijapur and the Nizam Shah of Ahmednagar, were constantly at war with each other. They made use of the armies of Maratha Sardar in these wars. The Maratha Sardar started a tradition of bravery. Nizam Shah and Adil Shah used the army of the Maratha Sardar in their constant warfare. This was a period of great unrest. The brave Maratha Sardars. The Marathas were both brave and tough. They were also fearless and loyal to their masters. They were very proud of their achievements on the battlefield. The brave Maratha soldier with a spear in hand and a sword at the side would ride in his Sardar's cavalry. All the Maratha Sardars had their own private armies. If such a Sardar went to Sultan with his army, the Sultan gave him employment, made him a Sardar of his kingdom, and sometimes conferred a Jahagir upon him. The Sardar who received such a Jahagir considered himself a Raja. There were many famous Maratha Sardars at the court of Ahmednagar and Bijapur. The more famous among them were the Jadavs of Sindkhed, Nimbalkar of Phaltan, Ghorpade of Mudhol, Mores of Javli, Bhosle of Veru. The Sindkhed Jadavs were descendants of the Yadav of Devgiri. Jijabai, the mother of Shivaji Maharaj, was the daughter of Lakhojirao Jadhav of Sindkhed. The Marathas were brave and tough. They were also fearless and loyal to their masters. All Maratha Sardar had their private armies. They would help the Sultan in wars. In return, the Sultan would give them money or some Jahagir. Jahagir means land. Some Sardar would look after the Jahagir and the people in it and would call himself a Raja. There were many famous Maratha Sardar at the court of Ahmednagar and Bijapur. Jadavs of Sindkhed, Nimbalkars of Phaltan, Ghorpades of Mudhal, Mores of Javli. Jijabai, the mother of Shivaji Maharaj, was the daughter of Lakhojirao Jadhav of Sindkhed. Tradition of valor. All these Sardar were brave, but many of them were sworn enemies of one another. They never thought that they would unite and do something for their own people, so all their valor and bravery served the interest of others. Even so, they kept alive the warlike spirit, especially among the young. Many famous soldiers were born in their families who kept alive the tradition of valor. Among the famous families, the Bhosles of Verur showed great bravery and enterprise. The Maratha Sardars were at the courts of Ahmednagar or Bijapur fought against one another. They did not allow the idea that they should unite and do something for their own people. With all their valor and bravery served the interest of others. But the famous families of Bhosles of Verul shows great bravery and enterprise. The temple of Grushneshwar. It was about 400 years ago. The temple of Grushneshwar near the Verul caves was falling to pieces. The walls had developed crack. The priest also had disrupted the temple. Thus, the temple which was built in honor of a great god was totally neglected. All the devotees who came there mourned over the sorry state of the temple, but no one thought of repairing it. A great devotee of Shiva visited the temple regularly. He would put flowers and bell on the lingam and express his innermost thoughts to the god. He carried out extensive repairs to the temple and restored it to its original condition. He also made arrangements for the proper maintenance of the temple. Now there were lights both inside and outside the temple, and the lost grandeur of Krishneshwar was restored. Who was this devotee? Who did all this? He was Maloji Raje Bhosle. The temple of Krishneshwar near Verul caves was falling to pieces. The walls had cracks. The temple was totally neglected. No one thought of repairing it. Maloji Raje Bhosle was a devotee of Shiva. He visited the temple regularly. He would put flowers and bells on the lingam and express his innermost thoughts to the god. He carried out extensive repairs to the temple and restored it to its original condition. The Bhosles of Verul. Maloji Raje Bhosle, the Patil of Verul, was a great devotee of Shiva. Babaji Raje had two sons. Maloji Raje was the elder and the Vithoji Raje the younger. Babaji Raje Bhosle had the rights of a Patil in the Verul village. Maloji Raje and Vithoji Raje were both brave and enterprising. They had in their service many armed Maratha troops. It was a period of great unrest. The Mughal emperor from Delhi had attacked the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Daulatabad was then the capital of Nizam Shah. Malik Ambar was his wazir or chief minister. Malik Ambar was able and wise. The two capable and brave brothers from Verul soon catch his attention. On his recommendation, the Shah conferred on Maloji Raje the Jahagir of Pune and Supe Parganas. The Bhosles became rich and powerful. Maloji Raje's wife was Umabai. She came from the house of the Nimbalkars of Fulton. They had two sons, Shahaji and Sharifji. Maloji Raje was killed in the battle at Indapur. At that time, Shahaji was only 5 years old. Then Vithoji Raje looked after the children and the Jahagir. Later he asked in marriage for Shahaji, the daughter of Lakhoji Rao Jadhav. Jijabai, the daughter of Lakhoji Rao, was well favored by the gods. Lakhoji Rao accepted Vithoji Raje's proposal. Lakhoji Rao was a brave and valiant Sardar in the court of Nizam Shah. He kept a large army of his own. He commanded a great respect and honor at the court of Nizam Shah. He celebrated the wedding of Shahaji Raje and Jijabai with great pomp. Jijabai became a fortune of Bhosle family. Maloji Raje Bhosle was a Patil of Verul. He was a great devotee of Shiva. Babaji Raje had two sons. Maloji Raje was elder and Vithoji Raje was younger. Babaji Raje Bhosle had the rights of the Patil in the Verul village. The Mughal emperor from Delhi had attacked the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Daulatabad was then the capital of Nizam Shah. Malik Ambar and both Bhosle brothers saved to the Nizam Shahi. Conferred on Maloji Raje the Jahagir of Pune and Supe Pargana. So the Bhosles became rich and powerful. Maloji Raje's wife's name was Umabai. Maloji Raje Bhosle had two sons, Shahaji and Sharifji. When Shahaji was 5 years old, his father Maloji died in a battle. Then his mother Umabai and his uncle Vithoji looked after him and his brothers. When Shahaji was 10 years old, he is married to Jizabai. Jizabai was pleasant, intelligent, and the daughter of brave Maratha Sardar Lokhojirao Jadhav of Sindkhed. So, two great Maratha families came together. Shahaji and Jizao got married. Atwadi, near Ahmednagar, Sharifji was killed in the battle. Shahaji Raje displayed great valor. He was praised everywhere as a brave general. His reputation in the court was so enhanced that even Malik Ambar began to feel jealous of him. This gradually led to antagonism between them. As a result, Shahaji Raja left Nizam Shahi and joined the court of Adil Shah at the Bijapur. Adil Shah honored him with the title of Sir Lashkar. Later there were many developments in Nizam Shahi. The Wazir Malik Ambar died. Shahaji Raje. Nizam Shah transferred to Shahaji Raje the Jahagir he had conferred on Maloji Raje. Shahaji Raje was a brave and capable man held in a great respect at the court of Nizam Shah. The Mughal emperor decided to conquer the kingdom of Nizam Shah. For this, he made an alliance with the Adil Shah of Bijapur. Malik Ambar and Shahaji Raje fought bravely to save Nizam Shahi. They defeated both the armies. This battle took place at Bhatwadi near Ahmednagar. Sharifji was killed in the battle. Shahaji Raje displayed great valor. He was praised everywhere as a brave general. His reputation in the court was so enhanced that even Malik Ambar began to feel jealous of him. That gradually led to antagonism between them. As a result, Shahaji Raja left Nizam Shahi and joined the court of Adil Shah at Bijapur. Adil Shah honored him with the title of Sir Lashkar, Chief of Army. Later, there were many developments in Nizam Shahi. Wazir Malik Ambar died. His scheming son Fateh Khan became the Wazir of Nizam Shahi. During his period, the Nizam Shahi began to decline. At about the same time, there was a threat, a Mughal aggression. So Nizam Shah's mother appealed to Shahaji Raje to return to Nizam Shahi and save it. Therefore, Shahaji Raje left Adil Shahi and returned to Nizam Shahi. After Maloji died, the Jahagir was transferred to Shahaji Raje. Shahaji Raje was brave and capable man held in a great respect at the court of Nizam Shah. Mughal emperor decided to conquer the kingdom of Nizam Shah. Malik Ambar and Shahaji Raje fought bravely to save Nizam Shahi. Sharifji was killed in the battle. Malik Ambar began to feel jealous of Shahaji Raje, so Shahaji Raje left Nizam Shahi and joined the court of Adil Shah at Bijapur. Adil Shah honored Shahaji with the title of Sir Lashkar, Chief of Army. On the appeal of mother of Nizam Shah, Shahaji left Adil Shahi and returned to Nizam Shahi. Homework. Write question answer of this lesson. See, question number 1. Fill in the blanks choosing the correct option A, B and C. Then question 2. Write the relation between. Question 3. Match the pairs. Question 4. Give the answer in one sentence.